Inside the compression hall, cotton fibers are compacted into 200-kilogram bales, then wrapped in anti-
Everything is synchronized perfectly. Look at the mixture density here.
Yes, conditions are holding steady within the parameters.
Inside the infusion bay, precise control of the fluorescent microfibers is critical for achieving the desired material properties.
The gauge is showing consistent pressure.
Good. Maintain the current settings for the next batch.
Check the stack alignment on rack 3.
Confirmed. The measurements are within tolerance.
Accuracy is non-negotiable here. Every single component must meet the established tolerances, or the entire batch.
Route 4 is clear for the next stack.
Confirmed. The printing floor is ready.
We are clear for the feather blue. Engaging the press.
Check the registration on cylinder 3.
Looks good from here. Initiating magnetic lock.
In the secondary print chamber, the reverse side of each sheet receives its background layer as twin roller.
Overhead multi-spectrum cameras scan each passing sheet, analyzing micro-detail sharpness and line integrity.
Every approved wafer is a victory of precision, moving one step closer to market, secured against the slightest disturbance.
The ink density metrics for batch 74B are stabilizing. We can push this data to the Treasury database now.
Confirmed. The runtime alignment looks good.
Plate ID confirmed, ink set looks good.
Verifying QC approval notes now. Yes, everything matches the secure upload.
We need to adjust these guides before the next run.
Okay, I'll update the parameters now.
Right here, just below the cravat. See the inconsistency?
I see it. Adjusting the arm now. See how clean the non-recessed areas are? The tension on the cloth is spot on.
Agreed. The microsuction is optimized.
The tiny ink ridges you see here form the tactile 3D surface unique to authentic USD printing.
Are we within the Treasury depth standards here?
Yes, micron precision confirmed on the gauge.
The hatching strokes on the lower right quadrant seem slightly off register.
Confirmed. The AI flags a 2-pixel deviation on the microcurves.
In the reverse side intaglio room, a smaller precision press imprints secondary raised features on the backside of the sheet.
Alignment looks good on the left side. Okay, running the test sequence now.
The mic-R alignment looks perfect on this batch.
And the robotics are running at peak efficiency. No errors reported.
Alignment patterns look good on Module 2.
Yeah, the laser tracking is keeping everything centered.
Check the definition on United States of America here.
Looks perfect, well within tolerance.
Look at segment 4B. The contrast ratio is off.
It's within tolerance. Analyze the adjacent field.
The throughput on the 50s has increased by 10% since the upgrade.
Good. Let's monitor the error rate for the next cycle.
Check the hologram quality metrics here. We have a slight deviation.
It's negligible. The serial validation is clear.
Agreed. Final approval on this batch.
The robotic lifts ensure precise transfer to the cutting department. Biometric confirmation is required at this terminal.
The UV signature on this sheet is inconsistent.
Rerouting for level 2 analysis. Check the microtext alignment on the next batch.
Utilizing depth mapping cameras, the system builds a precise 3D model of the watermark, ensuring every detail is accurate.
The automated sensors flagged a minor deviation on the thermal scan.
Reroute that sheet immediately. We must maintain zero-fail integrity.
Reading confirmed at 50 microns.
Noted. Advancing the sheet.
The spectral analysis confirmed the ink shift anomaly.
And the watermark definition is inconsistent with the control. The cyan patch shows no degradation after solvent application.
Adhesion is confirmed.
Check alignment on the fourth belt. We're showing a slight drift.
Adjusting the feeders now. Looks stable.
The 4x8 strips pass beneath precision guillotine modules, sliced into single notes. High-speed sensor.
We have a discrepancy on counter 7.
Rerunning the batch now.
Inside the bundling station, freshly counted stacks move rapidly along the stainless steel conveyor. Carrier 7G is secure. Verification complete on Manifest 44B.
Confirmed. Proceed to level 3.
Container Gamma 7 is shifting position on level 3.
Acknowledged. Cross-referencing LiDAR data now.
All manifests printed and secured.
Authorization confirmed. You may begin loading.
Verifying codes now. Everything matches.
Manifest check complete on Unit 7. All green. Dispatch.
Locking rails engaged. Biometrics confirmed green.
Solid copy. Secure the ramp.
Cross-reference the serial numbers on Manifest 4B.
Confirmed. Data input complete for this pallet.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.